How to check if contents of two lists is same in Python. I have three lists. List underscore 1 equals a 1, 2. List underscore 2 equals a 2, 1. List underscore 3 equals a 1, 2, 3. Note, numbers inside are the IDs from Django model. I want to test whether the contents, but not necessarily the order, of two lists are exactly the same. With reference to the three examples above. Comparing list underscore 1 and list underscore 2 should return true. But if I do validation between list underscore 2 and list underscore 3, or between list underscore 1 and list underscore 3, then the result should be false. How do I achieve this? Thanks, D.
I interpret your question as return true if the contents, but not necessarily order, of the lists are identical, otherwise return false. This can be solved by sorting both lists, then using the equals equals for comparison. Sorted returns a list of integers in ascending order. This means that if the list's contents are the same, sorted returns identical lists. This passes all of your test cases. I might have misunderstood your question. Please clarify if that's the case.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.